All right, everybody. We got August. Wow, it's August 1st today.
August 1st.
What'd you say, National Girlfriend's Day?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, everybody. August 1st. What time we got in the morning? It is 8 in the morning, and it is 83 degrees. So, yeah, we're on our way today. We're going to be traveling around Southern Leyte.
Yeah, going to Pintuyan.
Okay.
San Ricardo.
And then we also found this really incredible beach resort that we're going to stay in tonight.
It's called the Crescent Beach.
Yeah, so just really, man, I'm excited about this place. It's a cottage right on the beach. So it's going to be spectacular. We're going to do a lot of videos on that. But yeah, so we just had some breakfast. What do we had? Eggs, rice, coffee.
Yeah,
how much was it?
Rice, coffee, 110.
110 pesos, breakfast for two. Yeah, super broad though.
Sorry, we're feeling stuffy right now because I have bad allergy.
So the trip for us over was really rough, and I actually got sick for the first day or two, and now Joe's a little bit sick. So we've been struggling a little bit with her health, but hopefully I feel much better now, but Joe's now is a little stuffy. But hers could be, like I said, allergies, but hopefully today I think we'll be a little bit better. But yeah, so we're gonna travel around Southern Leyte today. We're going to end up at this really amazing beach resort. I'm really excited to shoot that and show you guys. I love this town right here, though. This town that we spent in last night, I could come back here and spend some time. It's, what's the name of the town?
The Liloan.
Yeah, so we'll put a map up of this area that we're in right now, as well as kind of the areas that we're going to, the Southern Leyte part. It's just, this part, there's not a lot of foreigners here, so they're really... You know, we really stand out here. So yeah,
not me.
Yeah, it's been an adventure. But yeah, good times. People just wanted to say hey real quick and just do a quick introduction of our day today, because we're going to stop and shoot random stuff throughout. Anything for you, Joe?
Thanks for the subscribers, by the way, on my channel.
Yeah, thanks for subscribing over to Joe's channel for those who did, and we'll be back in a little bit. Bye. There is Butamus. It's Butamus Maximus. What's up there, everybody? We stopped, taking a quick break. Just this really beautiful scene here. We'll turn around and take a look. Check this view out, guys. Check this view out. We are in Southern Leyte. Really beautiful. Just absolutely stunning, just breathtaking. Just came down that epic road that Joe filmed from the back of the motorcycle. So, just really beautiful. All right, guys. We'll be back in a minute. We just had to stop. It's just too gorgeous here not to stop. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. And Bean. Wow.
What's up, Joe? What's up, Joe?
What's up, Kano? Wow, we just got that ride in here was incredible.
Yeah,
just really beautiful and really steep. But yeah, let's check this out. Where's you saw this on the map? What is it called?
Nepantao Sanctuary.
Okay. Yeah, I'll put up the name up there of what it is. But Yeah, it looks really cool. Let's check it out real quick.
Let's check it out. Why it's called sanctuary. Very isolated. I mean, look at that.
Look at how clear that water is. Man, it's just amazing. So even in the waves, I mean, that just blows me away. That water is really deep, but yet you could see, wow, beautiful. Let's check it out. Yeah, it looks just like a private beach area, right?
Yep.
Joe's not feeling the greatest. She's either got a cold or some allergies. Yeah, some cottages right up here. You know, I mean, there's nobody else here. So, I mean, we really have this whole area. We have this whole area to ourselves.
Oh, there's also an area where there's sand.
Sand? Oh, some sand? Yeah. Well, I say we go swimming, Joe.
Oh, there's big waves.
Oh, look at this beautiful tree.
What are those, bees?
They're big and they got stingers.
You don't want to go near them.
Yeah, I know. Let's not play with them. Yeah, they're up there. Yeah, they got a whole... Yeah, Joe's talking about these, like some type of big wasp or hornet. They live in the ground there. Good call, because we didn't want to really walk through there. They're coming all up through the ground. So they must have a big den or something there. It's all right, we'll just chill here. Look at this, guys. Look. And we have this to ourselves. There's nobody else here. Just beautiful. All right, we'll be back here in just a second. We're gonna maybe go for a swim. I don't know. We'll be back. Hey guys, just got down here. What a ride that was. Beautiful, gorgeous road. And we're getting ready to check into our cottage for the night. Here, check this place out, guys. Check this out. So we're right up there. 1,500 pesos a night. Just really beautiful. It does have electricity, but no aircon. But it's right, look at that. I mean, it's right on the beach. So, and look, this is due east straight out here. So we should have a good sunrise. So anyways, they're still cleaning out the rooms. We haven't got in yet, but I just wanted to walk down here and show you guys. We'll do an inside of the room tour here in just a moment. But check out this beach, man. Really beautiful. Just really beautiful scene. Water is so clear. As soon as we get checked in, we're gonna go for a quick swim, but yeah, but I'd shoot a quick video on this beach area that we're at. So back in a minute. All right, so the room's all ready. We're in here. Check out this place. It is absolutely tiny, but look at this. Just so beautiful though. I mean, what's great about it is we're right on the beach. Joe, you feeling better?
Yeah, a little better.
A little bit?
Yeah, no aircon, thankfully.
Yes. But here's what you get, man. Look at that view. Yeah.
Look at that view.
I know it. Just beautiful, right? Beautiful. All right, guys. So this is our place for the night. We're gonna sit here and watch the sunrise right here on this little porch here. Should be beautiful. So, all right, we'll be back, guys. We're wandering along the bridge here. Saw this little trail. I'm gonna check out this area down here. Gosh, look at the water. You can show you a picture of the water here racing through. Looks really, really beautiful. You've got these whirlpools. Look at that down there.
That's why it's called Liloan.
Joe's saying, I don't know if the mic's picking it up, but she's saying that's why it's called Liloan. Huh?
Lilo, whirl.
That stands for whirlpool? Yeah. Wow, check that out. It's just beautiful. Let's go down here. Basically, this is that, it's just right by the bridge. Right before the bridge, you have a spot you can get off and come down here. So you can come down here and check it out. They got little huts and stuff. I bet you'd be really nice at high tide, although that might be kind of wild to swim in.
Yeah, you don't want to swim in those things.
What was that?
You don't want to swim in with that thing right there.
Yeah, I don't think there's much swimming there. That looks like...
Yeah, it'll drag you down.
Yeah. All right, we're almost down there. This is a really beautiful scene here though, Joe. Have you been down here before?
No, this is my first time here.
Wow.
I just watched it from the bridge.
Yeah. There's a kitty cat. Yeah, they got these little cabins and huts and stuff here. Oh, it's just a beautiful little area. Oh, they got grills, built-in grills.
Yep.
That's cool. Yeah, look at that. Look at that water. Wow. That's just crazy. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's some just really strong whirlpools and currents, like a wild current racing through there.
Yeah, see, there's all 1, 2, 3. That's scary.
Yeah, some big whirlpools.
Yep.
Want to go swimming, Joe?
You go first.
No, but what about ladies first, huh? No? Age before beauty, is that what you're saying?
Also because you're the tourist.
I'm the tourist. Tourists go first. Yeah, that looks scary swimming through there. I must admit.
It's beautiful and scary same time.
Right, yeah, just a really cool thing. All right, guys, we're gonna go grab some dinner and then back to our luxury tent on the beach, right?
Our little romantic getaway.
All right, guys, back in a little bit. All right, guys, end of the day here. We're winding down, sitting out here watching the sunset. Beautiful. Here, check it out. I'm really excited for the sunrise, but yeah. So, anyways, we're winding down for the day. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Empin.